In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Adobe Express if you're designing social graphics, thumbnails, or a simple collage. Rounding the corners of a photo is a quick way to make your layout feel polished and modern. I'll walk you through the process from a blank canvas to a clean, rounded edge image, keeping things simple and easy to follow. First, open Adobe Express in your web browser so you're sitting on the main dashboard. From here, click Start New Design. This creates a fresh canvas where you can build your project. If a size prompt appears, you can stick with the default or the last size you used. Either works for this demonstration. The goal is just to get into the editor so we can add a photo and adjust its appearance. Once your canvas loads, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Media. This panel is your hub for bringing images into the project. It's where you can access your files or browse available samples inside Express. For this walkthrough, select a sample photo. Any high-quality image will do. Sharper photos generally give you cleaner-looking edges when you round them. Picking a photo with good contrast also helps the effect stand out. Next, click the photo to place it onto the canvas. Adobe Express will drop it in automatically. You can drag it to reposition and use the corner handles to quickly resize it so it fits your layout. Try to avoid stretching from the sides only. Dragging from the corners keeps the proportions intact and prevents the image from looking warped. Now for the fun part. With the photo selected, look to the left side and click Corners. This opens the rounding controls for your image. Use the slider to increase the corner radius. As you drag to the right, the corners transition smoothly from sharp to rounded. If you prefer precise control, type a value into the input field if it's available. A small radius gives a subtle professional look, while a higher value creates a bold, pill-shaped style. Some versions of the control let you unlink the corners, so each one can be adjusted independently. Handy when you want a custom look that isn't symmetrical. As you adjust, keep an eye on how the rounded edges interact with your background and any nearby text to maintain good contrast and readability. And that's it. You opened Adobe Express, started a new design, added a sample image through Media, placed it onto the canvas, and used the Corners control to dial in the exact amount of rounding you want. Clean, simple, and ready to use in your